So all the high-pressure rubber hoses and oil pipes for construction machinery and industrial hoses are all produced and inspected by our own factory. Welcome to all the family members who have just entered the live stream. Welcome. For the new bosses who just joined us, please don't swipe away yet. Please don't go anywhere. I am currently at our real physical entity, our physical production facility. We are a genuine physical manufacturer, located in the Feixiang Economic Development Zone, Handan, Hebei Province. We have our own factory. And new R&D workshop, production workshop, quality inspection workshop, and warehousing workshop. We also have our own assembly workshop, which includes our own shipping area. We are a large-scale integrated industry and trade enterprise with a whole process integration. A large integrated industry and trade enterprise with a whole process integration. For those who are if you want samples, factory prices, and qualification materials, just type hose on the public screen. Type hose. The host will contact you directly. And our back office assistant will send you the qualification materials you want directly. The qualification materials are free of charge, and we can send samples for free, allowing you to familiarize yourself with them first. Before placing an order, you can check the sample first and then make a purchase. For those who just joined us, let me take 2 minutes to make this clear to everyone. I'll take 2 minutes to explain. Why more and more factories? Why more and more engineering companies and coal mining units, including foreign trade customers, only trust our Sinuo? Why do these major domestic and international clients only trust us and our Sinuo brand? First, we are a large, legitimate industrial park manufacturing enterprise. Our factory is located in the Feixiang Economic Development Zone. It is within the core area of the Feixiang Economic Development Zone. The core area, our factory, covers a total area of over 100 square meters, over 100 mu. Our total workshop space alone has reached over 100,000 square meters, and our factory has a superior geographical location, adjacent to the main road of Feixiang and close to the expressway.
The west exit of Feixiang Expressway is only 1 kilometer away from our factory.
Just 1 kilometer. Our factory is a standardized industrial plant with well-defined partitions. We have a raw materials area, an extrusion workshop, and a weaving workshop. A high-temperature vulcanization area, including a precision pressing area. The precision pressing area. For those looking for full hydraulic system adaptation. For all of you who want one-stop procurement. Our factory has our own precise crimping area, and you can take it back and directly adapt it to your equipment. This greatly saves your time. We have a precise crimping area, including our own independent laboratory, and a large, fully automated finished product warehouse. The finished product warehouse. We also have our independent shipping area. The shipping area, we are a large, legitimate physical factory in the industrial park. We are not a small OEM company, nor are we a small workshop. We are not a small workshop either. This is our factory. The gap between our large-scale physical factory and a small workshop. The gap between us and a small workshop. All the bosses who are engaged in construction machinery. Those who are engaged in mining, coal mining, including equipment maintenance, and hydraulic supporting, with those who are engaged in foreign trade. Welcome to all the family members who have just entered the live stream. Welcome to the live stream of a source factory located in Feixiang Economic Development Zone, Handan City. This is the live stream of a source factory. Where the host is currently located is a source factory of high-pressure rubber hoses and hydraulic oil pipes in Feixiang Economic Development Zone, Handan City, Hebei Province. It is a source factory of high-pressure rubber hoses and hydraulic oil pipes.
All of you who are looking for reliable and stable products, with long-term stability and on-time delivery, stable quality,
and stable after-sales service. All of you who are looking for reliable and stable products. Manufacturers of high-pressure rubber hoses who do not cut corners and want to find a reliable, stable, worry-free, and durable product from the original manufacturer. All of you. Today, during this live stream. Please don't go away. This live stream is a must-watch. Throughout today's live stream, we don't use any gimmicks. We are the factory with no middlemen. We do all production and ourselves. So today, all the high-pressure rubber hoses, engineering machinery oil pipes, and industrial hoses are all produced directly by our own factory.
We have our own quality inspection.
We have our own quality inspection.
All shipments are from our factory's own production and sales. All from our own factory. All
Of you who are still hovering outside the live stream, if you are also looking for a reliable, stable, and trustworthy source factory of high-pressure rubber hoses with stable delivery and after-sales service, be sure to come to the host's live stream and join us. Today, the live stream will be on for 2 hours straight. I will take you on an in-depth tour of our factory to see why our factory has been able to thrive for 15 years and why both domestic and international clients keep coming back for more, placing large orders over long periods, why they trust us and choose to partner with us for the long term. It all comes down to our factory's strength. Our strength. To all the business owners who have just joined the live stream, to all of you, please type rubber hose in the comments. Type rubber hose in the comments. Our back office assistant will send you the sample directly. Mail the sample to you for free and mail the sample album for free. It's all free. For those who want samples, want the factory's bottom price, or want qualifications and information, guys, just type the word rubber hose on the public screen. Just type rubber hose. For all the newcomers, all of you, if you are also looking for high-quality, high-pressure rubber hoses, don't swipe away from this live stream. Don't swipe away. For the full 2 hours today, I will take you on an in-depth tour of our factory, providing you with a detailed understanding. Our factory is a large-scale, genuine integrated industrial and trading enterprise, a major player in both industry and trade. Some of you in the live stream may find it hard to tell who the real physical factory is, and who are the imposters, who are just ordinary intermediaries, or a small workshop. To all my family members who are engaged in procurement, if you want to know about our factory, we can directly switch to our live-action reel shot. Let's go straight to the real scene. Our factory was established in 2011. Up to now, we have been deeply engaged in the high-pressure rubber hose industry for 15 years. For 15 years, all of our factories have our own R&D workshops. R&D workshops, production workshops, quality inspection workshops, including our logistic zones. Our factory not only has its own production workshops for mixing rubber, but also a high-precision one for clamping components, namely the clamping assembly workshop. We also have our own independent laboratory. Our factory is equipped with a full set of experimental equipment. Which is also one of the differences between a large-scale factory and a small workshop. This is the difference between large factories and small workshops. We also have our own fully automated warehouse, covering an area of more than 20,000 square meters. Our factory is a large-scale integrated industry and trade enterprise with a whole process. Ming Ming. A large integrated industry and trade enterprise with a whole process. We are not a small workshop. We are not a small workshop or an intermediary that does OEM. We are a formal production enterprise. We can conduct on-site factory audits, and our factory can be inspected on-site. To all our friends from other places, if you want to visit our factory or conduct a site visit, you can contact the host, or you can also contact the host. We welcome friends from all over to come to our factory site for an on-site factory inspection, to see our production equipment, and to see our factory's production capacity, Our factory has fully automated production equipment. Our production capacity is very stable. Our factory is fully equipped with our fully automatic steel wire braiders, including our 4-layer steel wire winding machines, and our fully numerical control extruders, including our constant temperature vulcanization production lines, and our fully automatic pipe cutting and crimping equipment, fully automatic crimping and lock pipe equipment, from the very first rubber raw material from a piece of rubber raw material, to molding, weaving, and vulcanization, to inspection, to finished products, and then to lock assembly. We have achieved full process automation, achieving fully automatic control. We have full autonomous control over the entire process. We have full autonomous control over the entire process, which is the most critical factor in our ability to maintain stable quality. This is the core key up to now in 2024 and 2025.
After our new plant in phase 2 is put into use.
Up to now, our daily output has reached 80,000 meters. The daily output has reached 80,000 meters.
Now,
We can handle large orders and rush orders. We can deliver all full container load FCL foreign trade orders in batches. Supply goods all year round, and we won't have any production gaps. We can supply goods all year round without any breaks. This is also one of our core competencies, and it's also a demonstration of our strength. This is the strength of Hand and Sinopulse Co., Ltd. We never adulterate our raw materials, and we firmly refuse to use recycled materials. During the last live stream, I also told everyone that, in terms of raw material control, we have been adhering to the principle of never cutting corners since the establishment of the factory. All rubber raw materials, or our high-strength steel wire, as well as all the raw and auxiliary materials, are all sent directly by raw material manufacturers. The raw materials are also from the top manufacturers in our industry, and we screen each batch of suppliers, one by one. Before each batch of raw materials enters the factory, we will conduct batch testing. Only after passing the test will our raw materials be put into use. They can be used officially then. All substandard raw materials are all rejected by us. All of them. There are many cheap high-pressure rubber hoses on the market now. Why are they prone to bursting, oil leakage, and cracking? It's because the raw materials they use. These raw materials, including the rubber or inferior steel wire, are all due to the poor quality of raw materials. Another factor is that their production equipment doesn't have high precision. So these cheap rubber hoses on the market, cheap high-pressure rubber hoses, either have reduced quality, which means the raw materials have deteriorated, or the precision of their production equipment is insufficient, leading to quality deviations. Quality deviations. Hendon City Sinopulse Rubber Co., Ltd. All the raw materials we use. All raw materials. Our rubber is original oil-resistant rubber, including our steel wires, which are all high-tensile special steel wires. All high-tensile special steel wires. When raw materials enter the factory, before each batch of raw materials enters the factory, we will conduct batch testing. We will conduct batch testing. Because our factory has fully automatic testing equipment, including our professional quality inspection team. Professional quality inspection team will conduct quality inspection on each batch of our raw materials and batch quality inspection. So our pipes are oil resistant, wear resistant, high temperature resistant, and low temperature resistant. Pulse resistant, and in terms of resistance to bulging and degumming, have been greatly improved.
They are durable even in heavy scenarios such as construction sites and mines.
And under all harsh working conditions, our rubber hoses have a longer service life and a longer service life, whether it is highly wear-resistant working conditions or the situation of high and low voltage resistance. Our high-pressure rubber hose is more durable, has a longer service life, and a longer service life. Fourth, we have independent quality inspection. Independent quality inspection. Each of our high-pressure rubber hoses, before leaving the factory, will undergo batch pressure testing. Each and every high-pressure rubber hose will undergo pressure testing. And our pressure testing standard is the embodiment of product quality. For each batch of high-pressure rubber hose, each and every high-pressure rubber hose, its pressure resistance test. We will conduct a pressure resistance test, and our testing standard is twice the working pressure of this high-pressure rubber hose, and it must withstand pressure continuously for 1 minute. And it must withstand pressure continuously for 1 minute. Only after the test results meet the standards. Will we release them to the market? Will we release them to the market? All unqualified raw materials. All unqualified raw materials. All high-pressure rubber hoses that fail the tests will be scrapped. They will all be scrapped. This is one of our core keys. And one of our core keys as well. All. For those of you who are still watching from the sidelines, for all of you, If you are looking for a reliable, stable, worry-free, and durable source factory of high-pressure rubber hoses and want to inspect the factory, you are welcome to join our live stream. Please do join us, because today's live broadcast is designed to give you an in-depth understanding of our factory. You'll learn about our quality, the scale of our factory, many business owners who are engaged in procurement. In our live stream, can't tell which ones are real factories, which ones are real factories, and which ones are middlemen, and which ones are middlemen. All middlemen can only sell spot goods. They can only sell spot goods and can't adapt to various needs and can't adapt to all your working conditions. Our factory has our own R&D workshop. Based on your working conditions, we can provide one-on-one technical explanations, including one-on-one customization and one-on-one customization services. What's more, friends from all over are welcome to visit our factory for on-site inspections and observations. For each of our batch, we have our own independent quality inspection. Each batch of high-pressure rubber hoses. We not only have a professional quality inspection team who will, during the production process, conduct batch quality inspections for each process. Batch quality inspections will be carried out, and for each batch of raw materials, when they arrive at the finished product packaging process. Our quality inspectors will conduct a visual inspection as soon as possible. The visual inspection. And we have professional pressure test equipment. The pressure test equipment will conduct a pressure test on each high-pressure rubber hose. Conduct a pressure test. We support the issuance of test reports. The standard for the pressure resistance test of each of our high-pressure rubber hoses is twice the working pressure of each high-pressure rubber hose, and it must continuously withstand the pressure for 1 minute. Only after the test meets the standards will our high-pressure rubber hoses be packed and delivered from the warehouse and flow into the market. All high-pressure rubber hoses that fail the test, our factory will reject them all. We will all be scrapped. All will be disposed of as waste. Unqualified ones will never be shipped, so that bosses and construction sites can use them with ease, and use them assuredly. Use them without worry. This is also a core bottom line that our factory has long adhered to, and it is also the most critical key for us to ensure quality stability. This is also our bottom line. We will never allow substandard products to flow into the market. We will never allow our substandard products to flow into the market. This is our bottom line, and it is also our bottom line. To all the family members who are still watching from outside the live room, if you are also looking for high-quality, high-pressure rubber hoses, be sure to come to the host's live room. Stay for a while, and our entire live broadcast today will take you on a deep dive into our factory. Our factory is located in the Feixiong Economic Development Zone, Handan City, Hebei Province. The Feixiong Economic Development Zone, and the total area of our factory has reached more than 100 mu. And the total construction area of our workshop has reached more than 100,000 square meters. Our factory has our own independent R&D workshop. Production workshop. Our production workshop includes our independent internal mixing center. The internal mixing center, our mixed rubber production workshop, including our first phase old brand production workshop, and the second phase new factory, the second phase new plant. Love you alone. Safe hose. How much is a set of safety management equipment? Silk recycling pipe, safe hose. 1 Hammond. 1 Hammond. Love you only one person. Guys. Click the host's little windmill. After the host ends the live stream. Our professional sales staff will contact you. How much is a set of aluminum foil hose shrinking machine? We are a one-stop hydraulic factory, and soon you can make an appointment through the small windmill icon in the lower right corner, and our back office will reply to you as soon as possible. You only need that machine, right? You only need the machine for shrinking hoses, right? Okay. To our family member, Xianhimen Ainiurin. Dear family member, please click the little windmill in the lower right corner of the live room, and click the little windmill in the lower right corner to give you the lowest quote. Later, our professional sales team will contact you. Okay, let's continue. I am currently located in the Feixiang Economic Development Zone, Handan City, Hebei Province. Feixiang Economic Development Zone. Our factory covers a total construction area of about 100 mu, and our building and workshop alone cover more than 100,000 square meters. We not only have our own R&D team, but also our production workshop, which includes our rubber workshop and our FAW Laupai workshop, and the new plant in the second phase of the fully automated production workshop. We also have our own high-precision locking head technology, our lock assembly factory, and our own shipping area, as well as a whole process storage workshop, covering an area of more than 20,000 square meters. We have fast nationwide logistics and super stable delivery. The delivery is super stable. Our warehouse workshop has a complete range of goods, all specifications of products. And our categories are complete, with a complete range of categories. Shipping is super fast.
Right.
Ask about this. Well,
You use the machine.
I know. Let him go ask. Tell who is planning to come here. What's this person's name?
Yeah?
Take a screenshot of this, give it to him, and tell him to go find out. Let's continue talking about our factory. Our factory has complete qualifications. We can do public-to-public payments. And we can also participate in bidding. We are qualified for that. Our company is a regular general taxpayer with complete procedures. Our test reports and certificates are all complete. The full set is complete. All the bosses who do purchasing or centralized purchasing or project bidding. My dear friends, our factory is a regular enterprise with purchasing power fully capable of meeting your requirements. We can fully adapt to all your needs. The sixth core is our strong customization capability with full specification coverage. This is also the gap between our factory and a small workshop. The gap between our large factory and small workshop. Their factory not only produces conventional high-pressure rubber hoses. By the way, as I mentioned earlier, many of you before entering the live stream were confused about whether it is a core factory or not. If it is a core factory, is this live stream a core source manufacturer or an intermediary manufacturer with a private label? Let me tell you, we are a real source factory, and we can provide one-on-one customization services. Our factory can provide one-on-one customization services. All those intermediaries and small workshops, but all the small workshops or the wholesale stores of the intermediaries only sell available stock. They cannot provide customized services. Our factory, currently, many peers are still looking for OEM manufacturers. Our factory has already implemented independent research and development and independent production. Our factory has our own R&D team. All the non-standard customizations, or ultra-high pressure resistant high-pressure rubber hoses, or special shaped joints and non-standard lengths, are equipment-specific assemblies,
Oh,
Everyone,
Everyone watching outside the live stream.
If you're still on the fence, come into the host's live room. If you want to know about our factory or have any product needs, you can type them on the public screen. You can type them on the host's public screen. Our factory is a one-stop hydraulic factory. It's a one-stop hydraulic factory. We are a solid and substantial factory. We are not a small workshop, nor an intermediate trader for OEM. Moreover, our factory can provide one-on-one customization services. One-on-one customization. Our factory has our own R&D team. We have our own technical personnel who can adapt to all your working condition requirements. All working condition requirements. All
the live streams of middlemen.
only sell existing products. Only sell inventory. Only sell this inventory. They cannot achieve one-on-one customization. Cannot achieve one-on-one customization. And hand in Sinopulse rubber coat LBT. We are a true factory. We can, based on your working conditions, your equipment, your needs, to achieve tailor-made. Tailor-made to achieve one-to-one customization. One-to-one customization for all quality issues.
Our factory directly provides after-sales support.
We have our own after-sales. So our factory can become a 15-year-old factory. I believe many of our partners who have cooperated with us should all know our factory relies on stable quality, stable delivery time, and stable after-sales service. Stable after-sales service. We have been producing high-pressure rubber hoses for so many years, and we never rely on low-price competition. We never rely on low-price competition. What we rely on is our stable quality, stable delivery time, and stable after-sales service. So we have been able to accumulate a domestic and foreign large-scale customers who can make long-term and large-scale repeat purchases. Only in this way can we make the cooperation time with domestic and foreign customers longer, and the cooperation time be longer. So, for those business owners troubled by pipe bursts, oil leaks, and pipes that aren't durable, for all of you who are troubled by oil leaks, gas leaks, pipe bursts, and pipes that can't withstand pressure, if you want to learn about this high-pressure rubber hose, if you're looking for reliable, stable, and high-quality products, or if you want to learn how to choose high-pressure rubber hoses, how to avoid pitfalls, you can type need. And later, I will take you on an in-depth exploration of the quality of our rubber hoses to see how to avoid common mistakes, how to stay clear of pitfalls, and teach you how to avoid them. For any issues like pipe bursts or insufficient pressure resistance, for those troubled by oil leaks or air leaks. Purchasing folks, if you want to learn how to avoid pitfalls when purchasing high-pressure rubber hoses, how to stay clear of traps, you can type in the chat and type need in the chat, and I will provide you with detailed information on how to avoid pitfalls during the procurement process and how to stay clear of them. Later, I will also show you how to select high-pressure rubber hoses and how to choose them without falling into traps. Some of you may ask whether our factory can send samples or not. Our factory provides samples for free. Our factory provides samples for free. Everyone who follows the host's live stream and pays attention to the host's live stream and joins the fan club can apply for samples. We check the quality first and then place a bulk order. We support free sample delivery. Free sample delivery is supported. We offer zero risk purchasing. We are a real factory. A real factory. We can do it. We can send samples for free. All the bosses who need it. All the bosses who need it in the live stream room.
please type need on our public screen.
Or backstage will directly contact and register. Contact you to register your address. We send samples for free. For free. All the family members who need it. You can also click the small windmill in the lower right corner of the live stream room. Directly click the small windmill in the lower right corner of the live stream room. Our backstage will directly contact everyone. Directly contact everyone. If you also have a need, family members who want to mail the samples, and family members who want to take a look at our samples can also get in touch with us. You can also get in touch with us. Some family members just want to know that. What is our minimum order quantity? What is the MOQ? Our factory For regular stock, the MOQ is 10 pieces. The MOQ is 10 pieces. It is suitable for repair shops to stock up. For bulk engineering and foreign trade orders, we have no quantity limit. For our bulk engineering and foreign trade orders, we have no quantity limit. For all our non-standard customizations, we are also flexible. We can flexibly adapt to all customers. Some of you have asked about our factory's warranty policy. What is the after-sales service like in our factory? Let me briefly explain. We are a formal industrial and mining enterprise. Under normal use in industrial and mining environments, we provide warranty certificates for damage caused by non-human factors like overvoltage or by humans, or non-human induced damage. If there is cracking, oil leakage, or degumming, our factory will directly provide after-sales support. We are a physical factory, a real factory. We won't run away, nor shirk responsibilities. This is our factory's comprehensive after-sales service. This is also where our factory differs from small workshops, because we are confident in our own quality. And we are confident in the quality of our products. Our factory sources raw rubber materials and takes them to the mixing production workshop, to our production process, and then to our finished product quality inspection, to our finished product packaging. We control the whole process independently, all by ourselves. Our factory is right here. Our first, second, third, and fourth phase projects are all located here, unlike those small workshops and middlemen. We will not prevaricate when problems arise. We are a large-scale manufacturer, a real big factory. Up to now, we have completed the construction of a four-phase factory, the fourth phase factory. We are a genuine source factory. A source factory. For after-sales service, we don't evade responsibilities or run away. Some of you may ask, can you issue invoices and cooperate through general accounts? Your host is here to reply to you. We can do that completely. Totally doable.
We provide special VAT invoices.
Who are you talking about?
Who do you think Gao Zhen is? Just say whatever you have.
Thank you.
Just speak out.
Oh, come on.
You are always welcome. And all customers are welcome to visit our factory. We welcome all new and existing customers to come to our factory to experience the site. And visit the production site of our factory. To see our equipment, and to see our technology, to see our production capacity, and to see our quality. Then you can check our inventory, to see our stock. Our factory is fully adapted to all of your working condition requirements. Up to now, our daily output has reached over 80,000 meters, and our entire production workshop is equipped with high-precision production equipment. Our factory is a large integrated industrial and trading enterprise with a whole process integration. All of the products are our own, all self-produced and self-sold. We don't have any middlemen. No middlemen. For high-pressure rubber hoses of the same quality, our price is more reasonable. For products of the same price, we will compare the quality. For high-pressure rubber hoses of the same quality, we will compare the factory. Our factory was established in 2011, and up to now, has been deeply cultivating in the high-pressure rubber hose industry for 15 years. Our factory, since its establishment, has been adhering to international standards, pursuing exquisite craftsmanship and meticulous production, and in terms of quality control. We never cut corners, which is also our core bottom line. This is our core bottom line, because we deeply know that. The quality of the product is the most critical factor for the long-term development of an enterprise. The most essential one. We never cut corners. We never cut corners, starting from each process. Each process, we have standards for every step and inspections at each level. Inspections are carried out at each level. We not only rely on manual quality inspection, but also in our production process. We not only rely on manual quality inspection, we also have the control of high precision production equipment. High-precision production equipment to control, because we deeply know that the higher the precision of the production equipment, the more stable its quality will be. The more stable its quality will be. Welcome, everyone who has just joined the live stream. Welcome to all the family members who have just entered the live stream room. Where the host is right now is a source factory of high-pressure rubber hoses and hydraulic oil pipes located in the Feixiang Economic Development Zone, Handan City, Hebei Province. If you have any needs for this high-pressure rubber hose and hydraulic oil pipe, you can type them on the public screen. Or if you want to inspect the factory, to go to the front line of the factory and visit our factory. We welcome all. We welcome all the bosses who are engaged in procurement. Those who are interested in coming to our factory for observation. We welcome friends from all over. And bosses from all places are welcome to come to the workshop at any time. Come to our factory for a field investigation and a real inspection.
Finally.
Here, I will summarize once again for you the core advantages of Handan Snowplum Rubber Hose Co. Ltd. The core advantage. First of all, we are a genuine source factory. Without any middlemen. We are all self-produced and self-sold. All are self-produced and self-sold. Second, we have our own advanced equipment, with which we have sufficient production capacity, stable delivery time. Sufficient production capacity and stable delivery time. As just mentioned, from its establishment to now, the production equipment in our FAW Laupai workshop, since 2024, has all been upgraded and iterated. All the old equipment. We have already replaced them with our equipment manufacturer,
the source factory,
the equipment manufacturer, and our high-precision production equipment all come directly from top equipment manufacturers in the industry. They are all high-precision production equipment. Only when the accuracy of the equipment is higher can the quality of our products be more stable. Our factory has advanced production equipment. Our production capacity is sufficient, and the delivery is super stable. Up to now, our daily output has reached 80,000 meters. All large orders, urgent orders, and custom orders can be accepted by us. We produce hydraulic oil pipes.
How come you didn't say a word when you arrived?
I saw a colleague. Welcome to all the family members who just entered the live stream. Welcome to all the family members who just joined us. I am currently located in the Feixiang Economic Development Zone, Handan City, Hebei Province. This is a source factory for high-pressure rubber hoses and hydraulic oil pipes located in the Feixiang Economic Development Zone. Up to now, our factory has been deeply engaged in the high-pressure rubber hose industry for 15 years. We are not a small OEM enterprise, nor are we a small workshop. We are a legitimate high-tech enterprise. We are a real entity factory. Our factory is a large integrated industrial and trading enterprise with a whole process integration. We don't have any middlemen. For high-pressure rubber hoses of the same quality, our price is more reasonable. Our price is more reasonable. I believe all the bosses who do the purchasing and all the purchasers are most afraid of any problems, worried about unstable delivery time, unstable quality, and unstable after-sales service. Handan City Sinopulse Rubber Industry Co. Limited, from its establishment to now, have been Chendan for several years, with 15 years of precipitation of an old factory. Why?
We can get long-term and large-scale repeat purchases of big clients from home and abroad.
Is that we rely on our stable quality, stable delivery time, and stable after-sales service. Which is also our second core advantage. Third is the high quality of our raw materials and process standards. as well as our strict quality inspection before leaving the factory, which is the third core advantage of our factory. We have strict control over raw materials. All the raw materials in our factory, including rubber raw materials and high carbon steel wire, as well as other auxiliary materials. We will screen all of these suppliers to ensure their quality. And before all the raw materials enter the factory, our professional quality inspection team will conduct random inspections of each batch of raw materials. Only after passing the inspection will they be put into use. Only after passing the inspection will they be put into use. All unqualified raw materials, we will reject them all. We will reject them all. This is also the most critical factor in ensuring our quality stability, because we are well aware that the raw materials of the product are the first threshold of our quality control. The first threshold, this is also our bottom line. From the establishment of our factory to the present. From the establishment of our factory to the present. We have been adhering to this core principle. The raw materials sector. We never cut corners. We never cut corners. This is also the most crucial factor in our quality control. In terms of raw materials, since the establishment of our factory, we have always been adhering to this core principle. We never cut corners. All substandard raw materials. We reject them all. We reject them all. Because only high quality raw materials can control the most critical factor of our quality stability, the most crucial factor. Moreover, from the establishment of our factory to the present, we've always been adhering to an international quality standard. An international quality standard. We practice meticulous craftsmanship. Meticulous craftsmanship. Previously, in the live stream, when I was in the live stream room, I also showed you one of our core experimental equipment. Our factory has this whole process experimental equipment. From raw materials to the production process to the inspection of finished products. We have a full set of experimental equipment. Our factory has a full set of experimental equipment. And our pulse experiment, the data of which has exceeded 3 times the international standard. That is 3 times the international standard. 这些in-core experimental data also fully reflect our high-quality production. It fully reflects the stability of our quality. The stability of quality. Our process standard have always been adhering to the international standard. The international standard. We are meticulous and exquisiteness. Meticulous and exquisiteness. And we never cut corners. This is also the core reason why we can obtain repeated large-scale purchases from major domestic and foreign clients.
I believe that our reputation is built through actions.
Our reputation is built through actions.
Yes, that's right.
Now, the most crucial factor in ensuring stable quality is our strict quality inspection before products leave the factory. Strict quality inspection before products leave the factory. Our factory does not solely rely on manual visual inspection. We also rely on high precision production equipment and a full set of laboratory equipment to ensure quality. Every high pressure hose produced in our factory, the semi-finished product of each high pressure hose, when it is transferred to the finished product packaging process, we will conduct a pressure test on each of our high pressure hoses. A pressure test. Our test standard is twice the working pressure of our high pressure hose, and it must withstand the pressure for 1 minute and last for 1 minute. Only after the experiment is qualified will it flow into production and then flow into the market. This is the core key of our quality control. From the establishment of our factory to now, this is our refined management. In this process, we have never omitted it. This is also the gap between a core big factory and a small workshop. The gap between ours and the small workshop. Each of our high-pressure rubber hoses. Each one of our high-pressure rubber hoses
will undergo a pressure test.
Each one will be tested, and only after passing the test will it be released to the market. Then it will enter the packaging process, from finished product packaging to leaving the factory. For each stick, all the products, all of our own products, before leaving the factory, we'll conduct a quality inspection for every single stick. Every stick will be inspected. This is our strict quality control procedure before products leave the factory.
which is also a core key for us.
This is also a core key of our factory. Fourthly, is that our rubber hose categories are comprehensive, very complete. As for the joint assembly, we provide one-stop solution. The joint assembly can be fully equipped in one stop. As we just mentioned,
Our factory not only produces high-pressure rubber hoses of our regular brand,
but we can also adapt to all your joint assembly parts, which can be fully adapted. Fully adapted. Whether it is a conventional joint, pipe fittings, three-way joints, or special shaped rubber hoses.
we can achieve adaptation for flange joints.
Our factory has our own joint manufacturer. We have our own joint manufacturer. We are a one-stop hydraulic factory and an integrated large-scale factory integrating industry and trade with the whole process. We can adapt to all your working condition requirements and all equipment requirements. As long as you have a need, you can contact the host. You can contact the host, or you can type it on the public screen. The host will explain it to everyone. You can also contact the small windmill in the lower right corner of our live stream room. The small windmill in the lower right corner of the live stream room. Oh, if you have any needs for the high pressure rubber hoses or our factory, you can type them on the public screen. You can type them on the public screen. Our fifth core advantage is that we support customization, can participate in bidding, can do public business, and can engage in foreign trade. Can do foreign trade. Our factory has a full set of core qualifications. Core qualifications for your bidding projects or foreign trade export. Our qualifications are all okay. All of them are okay. We can provide one-on-one technical explanations.
One customized services.
We have our own professional quality inspection team. We have our own professional R&D team, which can meet all your working condition requirements. Can meet all your working condition requirements. No matter if your operating condition is a high temperature environment of 150 degrees above zero, or an extremely cold weather of minus 50 degrees, or your ultra high pressure condition, or a high wear resistant condition, or your ultra soft narrow space, where this ultra soft hose is used. Our factory can fully meet all your working condition requirements, and can fully meet all working condition requirements. This is also one of our core key advantages. We can adapt to all your requirements and meet all of your needs. We can customize and provide one-on-one customization. One-on-one. This is a process that small workshops cannot achieve. This is a process that small workshops cannot do. The sixth core advantage is our stable after-sales service, which is reliable in the long term, reliable over the long term, with uniform quality and consistent quality, because our factory, from its establishment to now, has always been adhering to our international standards. And our production equipment and the production equipment in our factory are all directly from the top equipment manufacturers in the industry.
We have high precision production equipment.
We have our high precision production equipment for high pressure rubber hoses of the same quality. Our price is more reasonable. Our factory's price is more realistic. All non-artificial damage. Non-artificial damage will be guaranteed by our factory after sales. Our factory after sales will be the safety net. Our factory is a very real factory. We have now completed the first, second, third, and fourth phases of the project of after sales problems. We promise not to pass the buck. This is also the bottom line of our after sales service. This is also to let all the cooperating bosses have a reliable, stable, and core key that makes them feel at ease and worry-free. The most critical key. All the bosses who do procurement. All the bosses who do procurement. If you are also worried about not being able to find the source factory of core high-pressure rubber hoses and hydraulic oil pipes, in this live stream of the host, you must watch this live broadcast of the host. Don't scroll away. Don't scroll away.
Want to find a long-term stable supplier?
We want to replace with high-quality, pressure-resistant, and durable high-pressure rubber hoses. For those who want to get the factory's reserve price. For those who want to get the factory's reserve price, please follow the host. Click follow. so you won't get lost. Please follow the host, and the host will send you a private message through the back end. We'll send you a private message. All the family members who are engaged in procurement. If you are also looking for a long-term, stable, and reliable source factory of high-pressure rubber hoses with reliable delivery time and after-sales service, please type 1 in the chat. Type 1 for the host. The host will contact you through the back end. The host will contact you through the back end.
Oh!
To all the family members still lingering outside the live stream. To all the family members still lingering outside the live stream. If you are also looking for high-quality, high-pressure rubber hoses. If you are also looking for high-quality, high-pressure rubber hoses, be sure to come to the host's live stream and stay for a while. Be sure to come to the host's live stream and stay for a while.
To all the family members who are purchasers.
If you want to buy this high-pressure rubber hose, find a real factory. Find a real factory. It saves worry, saves money, and is more durable. It saves worry, saves money, and is more durable. Many bosses who do purchasing are in the live stream.
Unable to tell who is a real factory and who is an intermediary. Who is a real factory and who is an intermediary. Just now, the host also told you that.
A real factory has production pictures. Production pictures, workshops, and equipment. Workshops, equipment, and personnel. This is a real factory. That's what a real factory is. All intermediaries during live broadcasts only show the finished products and only focus on the finished products. They do not have the production process. They don't have the production process. All the bosses who do purchasing should know the higher the precision of the production equipment, the more stable its quality will be. All middlemen, when you purchase, cannot always purchase from reliable big factories. Reliable big factories, therefore, all the family members who do purchasing.
If you are purchasing this high-pressure rubber hose,
you must keep your eyes peeled. We must learn about this high-pressure rubber hose. Its production workshop. What kind of production workshop it is. What kind of production workshop it is. Learn about its factory. Learn about its quality. Learn about its scale. And learn about its scale. Welcome, everyone who has just joined the live stream. Welcome, everyone who has just joined the live stream. I am currently at a source factory of high-pressure rubber hoses and hydraulic oil pipes located in the Feixiang Economic Development Zone, Handan City, Hebei Province. This is the original factory, where our team has been deeply engaged in the high-pressure rubber hose industry for 15 years. Our factory has our own independent R&D workshop, production workshop, quality inspection workshop, and warehousing workshop. We also have our own precision clamping production workshop, which can be adapted to your joint assembly. It can achieve the clamping of the joint assembly so that after you purchase and take it back, it can be directly adapted to your production conditions and equipment, greatly saving your procurement time and cost. There is no need for you to find a third party or any other third party for processing.
this is also the core advantage of our one-stop hydraulic procurement. The core advantage.
And we also have our own warehouse workshop covering an area of more than 20,000 square meters. We are a full category manufacturer of high-pressure rubber hoses. We offer a complete range of high-pressure rubber hoses. They can meet all your working condition requirements. They can be adapted to all your working conditions. To all my colleagues who are in procurement, to all of you in procurement, if you are looking for high-quality, high-pressure rubber hoses, if you are also searching for high-quality, high-pressure rubber hoses, high-pressure fuel tubes, be sure to join our live stream and stay for a while. I will take you on an in-depth exploration of what constitutes a high-quality product. I will also provide you with insights into our factory and showcase our capabilities and scale, as well as our quality control. You'll see how we've achieved 15 years of deep dedication to our industry and how we have exported our products to over 60 countries worldwide, earning recognition from major international clients. Our factory, all of it, is a large-scale integrated industrial and trading enterprise with a full process integration. We don't have any middlemen, and we never rely on low-price competition. Since the establishment of our factory, we have never relied on low-price competition. What we rely on is our stable quality, stable delivery time, and stable after-sales service.
For high-pressure rubber hoses of the same quality.
Our price is more reasonable, and for high-pressure rubber hoses at the same price. Our factory is larger in scale because we are the original manufacturer. For the same quality, we compete in terms of factory strength. For the same price, we compete in terms of quality. We compete in terms of quality. This is the core reason why we have been able to delve deeply into this industry for 15 years. Since our establishment, we have always been putting quality first. We let the quality speak for itself. And our reputation has been built on quality. I believe that all the bosses in procurement have encountered the same issue and faced problems in the procurement process. Even now, there are still many cheap PE pipes on the market, and there are many cheap high-pressure rubber hoses. Well, all of these products, their prices are in a price war, pushed down to the lowest. Either their quality has downgraded, or their raw materials have decreased in price. From the establishment of our factory to now, we have never relied on low-price competition. We have never relied on low-price competition. What we rely on is our stable quality, stable delivery, and stable after-sales service, so that the bosses who are in charge of procurement can purchase reliable, stable, reassuring, and worry-free high-pressure rubber hoses that don't cause any trouble. This is also the core key of our 15 years of deep cultivation in the high-pressure rubber hose industry. The core key.
Yes.
There's no one left.
Who is the third on the leaderboard?
I don't know. Probably watched it. Over 30 episodes. It's a woman. Everyone.
All the family members who are still watching from outside the live room.
All of you. If you are also looking for high-quality, high-pressure rubber hoses, be sure to come to the host's live room and stay for a while.
It's 4:05.
So are you coming or not?
Yes.
Welcome, everyone who has just joined the live stream. Welcome to all the families who have just entered the live stream room. If you are also looking for high-quality, high-pressure rubber hoses, be sure to stay in the host's live room for a while, and stay for a while. Where the host is now is our source factory of high-pressure rubber hoses and hydraulic oil pipes. The source factory of high-pressure rubber hoses and hydraulic oil pipes.
There's no one here.
I hear some cute voices. Do they look familiar? No.
You go first.
One person gives one.
Say something.
Go ahead. Why not? Can't hear you. Who said that?
The phone is with me.
I'm holding it for you. It's always been here. It's John.
What about then?
No. What?
We have all of them. For those of you who are still watching from outside the live room, for all of you, if you are also looking for high-quality, high-pressure rubber hoses or high-pressure oil pipes, be sure to join our live stream. Be sure to join our live stream. The host is now going to take you on an in-depth understanding of our factory. And here I will briefly explain to you that our factory was established in 2011 and has been deeply engaged in the high-pressure rubber hose industry for 15 years up to now. Our factory covers a total area of over 100 mu, and our total construction workshop area has reached over 100,000 square meters. And our factory has an independent R&D workshop, production workshop, quality inspection workshop, and storage workshop. We also have our own joint assembly workshop, which is capable of achieving one-stop fitting. It can adapt to all your working condition requirements. We have fast nationwide logistics delivery. Super reliable. Super reliable. This is also the difference between our core big factory and small workshops. The difference between core big factories and small workshops. Our factory is a one-stop hydraulic factory. Our factory is a one-stop hydraulic factory. We don't have any middlemen. We are an integrated industry and trade enterprise with the whole process. For high-pressure rubber hoses of the same quality, our price is more reasonable, and our price is more realistic. For high-pressure rubber hoses at the same price, our quality is more optimized. Our quality is more excellent, because we are a real source factory. Because we are a real source factory. This is also a gap between our factory and small workshops. This is also the gap between our factory and small workshops. Now, there are many cheap high-pressure rubber hoses on the market, and they often come from some small workshops. The products produced by these small workshops, without quality inspection, unstable adhesive, and no after-sales control. The after-sales is even more unstable. Hamden City's Sinopulse Rubber Co. Ltd. With 15 years of in-depth industry cultivation, and our current daily output has reached 80,000 meters. Our scale is large. Our adhesive is stable. Our adhesive is stable. And in the production process of our factory, we rely not only on artificial control, but also on professional and high-precision production equipment to control the quality. As we all know, the higher the precision of the production equipment, the more stable its quality will be. Many bosses who do procurement don't quite understand the importance of this equipment. Here, I will give you a brief explanation. If the high-pressure rubber hose you purchase is used and frequently experiences oil leakage, air leakage, hose bursting, pressure resistance failure, delamination, and a series of other quality issues, 90% of the time, it's due to insufficient equipment accuracy, inadequate vulcanization, or braiding density, or both. It's still unclear at the moment, and we can't confirm it yet. Then if one doesn't go, we can't say for sure that they will go.
So it's still undecided for now.
They don't want to.
They don't dare to say they will go.
Because, well,
The goods haven't been released yet. All the procurement managers, if you are also looking for high-quality, high-pressure rubber hoses, be sure to come to the host's live stream.
Someone brought a small pot. The sound on your phone is very clear.
It doesn't matter how you speak.
My voice isn't as clear as yours.
Are you using earphones?
I'm using the earpiece of the phone.
Everyone, all the family members who are still lingering outside the live stream. If you are also looking for high-quality, high-pressure rubber hoses.
You're back again.
Who's back again?
That colleague from before.
If you are also looking for high-quality, high-pressure rubber hoses, be sure to come to the host's live stream. Today, we will have live footage of the actual environment We don't exaggerate, and we don't make exaggerated publicity. No exaggeration. For all your needs of our factory, or all questions you want to know about, you can type them on the public screen. Type them on the public screen. Our entire live broadcast today is to take everyone to gain a deeper understanding of our factory. To have a deeper understanding of our factory, let's take a look at the quality of our factory, the scale of our factory, and the quality of our factory. If you are looking for high quality, high pressure rubber hoses, be sure to come to the host's live stream. Be sure to come to the host's live stream. The host's entire live stream today is to give everyone an in-depth understanding of our factory and an in-depth understanding of our factory for the high pressure rubber hoses. Or if you have any questions about our factory, any questions, you can type them in the public chat. Type them in the public chat. Just now, I told you why our factory can achieve 15 years of in-depth industry cultivation, and why our major domestic and foreign customers are able to make long-term and large-scale repeat purchases. It relies on our stable quality, on-time delivery, and after-sales service. Our factory has high precision, complete set of high-precision production equipment for the entire process. Many bosses who do purchasing may not be very familiar with this equipment. They don't know much about the equipment. Here, let me give you a brief introduction. If the product you purchase during use frequently experiences oil leaks, air leaks, including pipe bursts and insufficient pressure resistance, in 90% of cases, it's due to the equipment's insufficient accuracy. The higher the precision,
%90 of them come from small workshops.
these small workshops are not large in scale. Their rubber layers are unstable, and during the production process, there is even no quality inspection. After-sales service cannot be guaranteed. Handon City Sinopulse Rubber Hose Co. Limited has been deeply engaged in the high-pressure rubber hose industry for 15 years. It is a core old factory with a history of 15 years. As a core old factory for 15 years. And our factory, from its establishment to now, has always been adhering to international standards, and exquisite craftsmanship. All of our products adhere to international standards and are exquisitely crafted. In terms of quality, we never cut corners or use substandard materials. This is the core principle we have adhered to since the establishment of our factory. The most crucial factor.
We not only ensure high quality raw materials,
Strictly controlling them. During the production process, we also have a complete management system, a full set of management systems. We not only rely on manual quality inspection, but also have a professional quality inspection team to conduct patrol inspections during the production process. And our core lies in our high precision production equipment control. Each step of our equipment is equipped with high precision production facilities. It can precisely control the parameters of the high pressure hose in the production process. The parameters of the high pressure hose during the production process, which it can accurately control. This makes our quality more stable. So our quality is more stable. This is also the core key to ensuring our quality.
That's true.
I forgot to use the voucher I grabbed yesterday.
Okay.
It also reminded you.
That's good.
No. Does it have an expiration date? You always remember to grab it.
Yeah, you always remember.
You always have it.
Whoa.
Cover your face. Cover your face.
Cover your face for a moment.
Wait a moment.
Wait a moment. Okay.
Did everyone get it?
Yes.
Isn't this coupon always available?
Well, there's a restriction.
Probably.
You also said the notice
Is only valid for 3 days.
How much is it?
Be gone.
Oh, 15% off, right?
Yes.
Everyone who is still watching from outside the live room. Everyone who is still watching from outside the live room. Why are you covering your face?
This morning?
What happened this morning?
It was the same in the morning.
What?
This morning.
What happened? What are you looking at?
Haha.
Suddenly,
Just an eye.
When you covered your face looked like a smiling baby's.
Aha.
I don't know. I didn't notice.
Everyone.
Everyone who is still watching from outside the live room. If you are also looking for high quality, high pressure rubber hoses. If you are also worried about not finding a suitable high pressure rubber hose that meets your working condition requirements, this live stream, please don't go away. Please don't miss this live stream today. Throughout the entire live stream, this whole live stream, is dedicated to teaching you how to purchase a suitable high pressure rubber hose that meets your working condition requirements. We will also discuss how to identify a genuine manufacturer so that you can distinguish a real one. Our factory, since its establishment, has been deeply engaged in high pressure rubber hose industry for 15 years. We welcome friends from all over, especially those of you who are in procurement. And we welcome friends from all over to visit our factory, to see our real and conduct on-site observations, to see the strength of our factory, to see the scale of our factory.
See the production equipment of our factory.
The production equipment, the products of our factory, the products of our factory. We rely on not only manual control, but also high precision production equipment. High precision production equipment. The higher the accuracy of our equipment, the more stable the quality will be. The higher the production accuracy, the more stable the quality will be. All the bosses who do the purchasing, when buying high pressure rubber hoses, look for a real factory, saving money, worry-free, and more durable. Saving money, worrying free, and more durable. Handon City Sinopulse Rubber Hose Co. Ltd. All of our products are self-produced and self-sold. We don't have any middlemen. Our raw materials are never recycled, never mixed with recycled materials, and never cut corners. This is the core key for us to control quality. We start with raw materials, from the source to the production process, to finished product inspection. We never cut corners, because we know that quality stability is the most critical factor that enables our long-term cooperation with all purchasers. Quality is our reputation. Quality is our reputation. Each high-pressure rubber hose will undergo a pressure test. In our factory, for each high-pressure rubber hose, we will conduct a pressure test and ensure that every single one is inspected. Every single one each of our high pressure rubber hoses, the standards for our pressure tests, our products,
Are all at least double the working pressure.
and they must withstand the pressure for 1 minute continuously. And they must withstand the pressure for 1 minute. Only after meeting this standard will we proceed to the next process, and only then will they enter our market. We would never cut corners. We would never cut corners. We are always in strict control of quality, maintaining high precision. Our high precision equipment, which is the core key to ensure the stability of our quality.
Why do foreigners take pictures of everything here?
Just open it.
Test it first.
Why?
You can see it.
What?
You can see it here.
Our factory. Every high pressure hose in our factory, before leaving the factory, has to undergo a pressure test according to twice the working pressure of each high pressure hose, and must withstand pressure for 1 minute. And it must withstand pressure for 1 minute continuously. Only when the test result meets the standard will our products be released to the market. Our products will be released to the market. This is also our core bottom line. Our core bottom line.
You mean this one?
Oh, all the family members who are still watching from outside the live stream, all of you. If you are also struggling to find a raw material manufacturer with reliable quality, stable delivery time, and good after-sales service, and are worried about finding a source factory for high-pressure rubber hoses, be sure to join our live stream, because our entire live broadcast today is designed to help you find core factories, to help you understand them, and how.
Just a moment.
Hold on.
We want to help you understand how to purchase without falling into traps, how to avoid pitfalls, and help you steer clear of them. If you have any questions about our factory or about our Galaja fruit, or any questions at all, feel free to type them in the chat. You can type them in the chat throughout today's live stream. We have 5 minutes left before we end the broadcast. 5 minutes left. To all the family members who are still watching from outside the live room, everyone who's still on the fence, if you're looking for high quality Galaja fruit, make sure to join the host's live stream. Make sure to join the host's live stream. Stay for a while. Make sure to join the host's live stream. Make sure to follow the host. Follow the host and you won't get lost. And next time the host will continue to take everyone to seriously learn about our factory. No, there are still 5 minutes left. The host will end the live stream in 5 minutes. For all those looking for the host and wanting to learn about our Galaja fruit, be sure to follow the host and give the host a follow. There are only 4 minutes left, and the host is about to sign off. If you are also looking for high-quality Galaja fruit, or if you are still worried about not finding suitable high-quality ones, this live stream of the host, you must click follow. At the same time tomorrow, the host will continue to take you to learn about our factory and learn about the quality of our factory. Continue to show you how to avoid pitfalls in purchasing Galaja fruit, how to avoid them.
Our approach.
This is one aspect.
Where did you say this was picked up from? Who are you?
You're not.
Right?
Yes.
Right.
Yes. I see. Where are you from? I know. How old are you this year?
Me.
Reading.
Wait a moment, please.
Look at how they teach.
Just pick one. There are only 3 minutes left before the host goes offline. 3 minutes left. If you are looking for high quality high glue powder, the host still has 3 minutes to give everyone a detailed introduction one by one, giving a comprehensive explanation, whether it's about our products, our product is good or not, or any questions about our factory. You can type them on the public screen and type any questions on the public screen today. We will end the live stream in the last 3 minutes. About our factory. The most crucial point is that we have 4 core advantages. First, we are a legitimate high salary factory. Here, let me tell you about the 4 irreplaceable advantages of our factory. First, we have high quality raw materials. High quality raw materials. Our factory sources all its raw materials from manufacturers that have undergone our layer by layer screening. And these raw materials, before all of our raw materials enter the factory, will undergo batch quality inspection. Batch random inspection, only after passing the random inspection will they enter the production process. All unqualified raw materials are rejected. All unqualified raw materials are rejected. This is also our factory's first irreplaceable advantage. An irreplaceable advantage. We strictly control the quality of raw materials. Strictly control the quality of raw materials. We are well aware that raw materials are the primary guarantee of our quality. We never cut corners on raw materials. Since the establishment of our factory, this has always been our core principle. And a bottom line, this is also our factory's bottom line. Second, we have advanced technology. We have advanced technology. All of our production lines, since the establishment of the factory, are equipped with a full set of production equipment, all of which are high precision production equipment with high accuracy. We know that the higher the accuracy of the equipment, the more stable the quality of the products will be. The higher the accuracy of the equipment, the more stable the quality of the products will be. Many bosses who are in charge of procurement may not know about the production equipment. So let me explain it to you in simple terms. If the high pressure rubber hose you purchase is, during use, frequently experiencing issues like pipe bursting, oil leakage, air leakage, or insufficient pressure resistance, these phenomena and this series of quality problems 90% of the time are caused by insufficient equipment accuracy, resulting from inadequate vulcanization. Handon City Sinopulse Rubber Roller Co. Ltd. All the production equipment we use are directly from top equipment manufacturers in the industry, and each of our high-precision production equipment is equipped with a high-precision computer. It can precisely control the wall thickness of the high-pressure rubber hose, as well as its outer diameter, including the angle of steel wire winding and the tension adjustment of the steel wire. As for the sparseness of the steel wire weaving, including the vulcanization temperature and time. The control of high-precision production equipment can improve the product's aging resistance, abrasion resistance, corrosion resistance, and tensile resistance, achieving a significant improvement. Our rubber hose will have a lifespan far exceeding those produced by small workshops, way beyond them. Our quality has already surpassed international standards. It has exceeded the international quality level. This is also a result of our advanced process control. Third, we offer customized services. The third irreplaceable advantage is our customized service. Our factory, up to now, currently, many of our peers are still looking for contract manufacturing. Handon City Sinopulse Rubber Industry Co. Limited has already implemented independent research and development and independent production. And up to now, we have our own R&D team and professional technical team and professional R&D team. We can accurately control all your needs. Provide you with one-on-one customization. One-on-one customization. It can be adapted to all your working conditions.
Which is also our core major factory.
The gap between it and small workshops. The gap between it and small workshops. Our factory can provide core one-on-one customization services, providing you with one-on-one customization services for your specific working conditions. This is also one of our irreplaceable advantages. Fourth, our after-sales service is well established, comprehensive after-sales support. Our factory promises that the warranty period for non-artificial damage for a series of quality problems is directly covered by our factory, and our factory is directly responsible for it. Our factory now is located in a core park of the Feixiang Economic Development Zone, Handon City, Hebei Province. Our factory has now achieved the production of Phase 1, Phase 2, Phase 3, and Phase 4. We are a core major factory for all the quality problems that arise. For the core quality problems, our factory will directly provide a comprehensive solution. We will directly provide a comprehensive solution. We will never pass the buck. Our factory will never pass the buck for quality problems, which is also part of our after-sales service. What's more, our after-sales team can provide you with one-on-one quotes, as well as one-on-one samples.
And the chili peppers.
Our factory's price is more ... The factory's price is more reasonable. And our factory has a full set of export qualifications. We can handle the export.
And cooperate with large domestic equipment manufacturers.
The reason why large domestic manufacturers choose our factory for long-term cooperation relies on these core qualifications. It also depends on our authoritative qualifications. Besides, all of our qualifications can be checked on the internet. All can be checked on the internet. Our factory is not only a high-tech enterprise, but also a specialized and innovative small and medium-sized enterprise in Hebei province, NSME. Meanwhile, in early 2026, our factory has obtained the MAN certification certificate. The MAN certification means that all categories and specifications of our factory and all products of all specifications and models have obtained the MAN certification. From then on, all our products can also be adapted to mining equipment on the mining equipment. This also proves that the quality of our factory, meanwhile, also confirms the quality of our factory. The products of our factory have fully met the standards and can now be adapted to all mining equipment, all of them, precisely because our factory has high standard quality control. And our factory has our own R&D team, So our quality. So our products will go further and further, and we will have more and more partners, as well as more and more customers, so as to be recognized by major domestic and international clients. Our reputation is built through delivery, mainly relying on our own quality. So,
To all my colleagues in procurement here.
To all of you.
If you are also looking for high-quality, high-strength adhesive tubes, be sure to come to the host's live room and follow the host. Today's live stream is coming to an end now.
for those who are looking for high-quality, high-pressure rubber hoses, make sure to follow the host and pay close attention. The host will always be here waiting for you all at the same time tomorrow. Okay, that's the end of today's live stream. See you at the same time tomorrow. See you tomorrow at the same time.